How to disable two-factor authentication on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Robinhood safely and easily. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log in to your account. After you log in, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on this three line on the top left corner. After that, click on the security and privacy option. Scroll down and find two-factor authentication option. Here you'll see option to turn off two-factor authentication. Tap on it. Robinhood will ask you to confirm your identity. You might have to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once you confirm, your two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Robinhood account. And that's it. This is how you can disable two-factor authentication on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.